according to Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, B is equal to IR. We know that B is equal to IR. Here B take EMF, then E is equal to IR. E is equal to EMF. This is in measure in volt, I current and R resistance. Then I is equal to E upon R. Then I is equal to E upon R. E means here the electromotive force and 12 volt is equal to 12 volt, and the value of the R is equal to 0.4. Then we divide 4 is equal to 30 ampere. Then answer is I is equal to 30 ampere. This is your answer. For UPPSC lecturer, PGT exam, UPPSC PGT exam physics. This is very important for you to study. Question number first, answer is I is equal to 30 ampere. Next question we will discuss about you. We erase them. If you want to take the screenshot or write the notes on your copy, you will be right. Next question number second. A battery of EMF 10 volt and the internal resistance 3 ohm is connected to a resistance. Connected EMF is equal to, here given NCERT questions. This is NCERT questions. Very important for the PGT exam of UPSC, and also it is important for the 12th CBSE board. And the question second, E is equal to, given that E is equal to EMF 10 volt and the internal resistance 3 ohm. Here means R. Internal resistance is represented by the small letter R. R is equal to, given is 3 ohm. Is connected to a resistor. If the current in the circuit is 0. I is equal to current. Here current I is equal to 0.5 ampere. 0.5 ampere. What is the resistance of the resistor? What is the resistance? You will have to find out the value of the R. Capital R, that is resistance. You also understand external resistance R. We have to find the value of the R. What is the internal terminal voltage of the battery when the circuit is closed? Then we find according to Ohm's law, B is equal to IR. We know that if we write E is equal to electromotive force I, if I is equal to B upon R, then we write I is equal to, in electromotive force, E upon, here R is represented by the internal resistance and the external resistance. Then we put in the formula the value of the E, R and I, then we can find I is equal to 0.5, E is equal to 10 volt, R is equal to 3 ohm. We have to find capital R. Cross multiplication 1.5 and 0.5 R is equal to 10. then 0.5 is equal to 8.5, then R is equal to 8.5 upon 0.5. Then we will find 17 ohms. The external resistance is R is equal to 17 ohms. Here, this is your answer. The question number 2 of NCERT questions of electric current. Electric current. Electric current. This is your answer. Then we will find also the terminal voltage. We will find terminal. What is the terminal voltage? Terminal voltage. Voltage. What is the terminal voltage? So B is equal to IR. Here R is equal to 17. I is equal to I is equal to I is equal to what is the value of I? What is the value of I? 0.5. 0.5. Then V is equal to 8.5 volt. This is your answer. This is your answer. 8.5 volt. Answer. And you will have to solve all the questions, then write proper notes and ask the practice exam for the CBSE board and also PGT exam for the UPPSC. Thank you. Bye.